Alright, today I'm gonna demonstrate you guys how the GE Siren XT home security alarm system works.
Doors and windows on. Doors and windows on. Motions on.
In order to activate the motions, you have to open a door. That way the system would think that the owner had left the home. So we're going to the basement, where in most homes is the most vulnerable area for a thief to break in. Alright, so the system is now armed. I'm just gonna pass by the first sensor here.
Cancelled.
Now my phone should be ringing fairly soon. There it is. And you can't see it, but my home is calling me.
System 521. Press star for alarm. Ultimate alarm. Press star for next alarm. Alarm cancelled. Press star for next alarm. System status done. Press pound to exit.